how to use the brilliance and power of your subconscious mind using self-hypnosis. In the year 2008, I first became interested in the subject of NLP, which is neuro-linguistic programming. And I was surprised to discover the links between NLP and hypnosis. I've studied both subjects and conducted workshops and seminars on NLP and conversational hypnosis. Along with that, in my coaching, I used many techniques to help clients to overcome their problems and challenges. During the first few years, I had always had an interest in hypnosis and other altered states, but hadn't formally explored the subject of trance state. So, as I learned more about it, I discovered a number of fascinating things about it. So, a trance state is an altered state of consciousness where our awareness, focus, and perception is shifted. We become more suggestible, deeply relaxed, and can concentrate intensely. You will be detached from an external environment, all the noise and distraction around you in a trance state. So this trance state, also known as hypnosis, is a perfectly natural state. It's nothing surprising about it. Most people go into hypnotic trance or hypnotic trance states many times a day. There are many examples such as during daydreaming, meditation, or flow states. Also, when you really get into a film, when you watch a movie, when you drive on a highway, and then can't remember how you got to where you are going. When you become highly absorbed in an enjoyable activity. Or you can be put in a trance state deliberately through techniques like self-hypnosis, rhythmic music, repetitive movements, or certain rituals. And you should be in a trance state because the trance state is a spatial state where you can get greater access to the power of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is a big warehouse or big storehouse of experiences, possibilities, and resources. It is the source of great creativity and even wisdom. This is why many great NLP practitioners and even hypnotists are able to help people generate solutions for seemingly impossible problems. Now, in this video, you will use the natural brilliance of your subconscious mind. You probably heard people say, your subconscious already knows all the answers to everything you will ever ask. And, I don't know if that is true or not, but I do know that when you act as if it's true, your subconscious acts accordingly. So consider as it is true. And for that reason, I think it's incredibly valuable to learn the skill of self-hypnosis. Self-hypnosis is not just a great way to help you make certain changes and achieve goals. It's also a fun way to relax and feel refreshed anytime you want to. And some people are able to do this easily the first time they try, while others need to practice few times before it becomes easy. The first step is to set a goal for the trance. Find out what answers you're looking for. What's the solution you're looking for? What do you want your subconscious to do and to help you with? Find out. This is very important step. The more specifically you ask, the more specific the answer you will receive. And say to yourself, my subconscious, I want to feel relaxed. Okay? My subconscious, I want to find a solution to problem X. I mean, any specific problem. Think about that. Or my subconscious, I want to find a way to enjoy Y or X, whatever, a specific activity, even more than I already do. Okay? Sit comfortably and fix your attention on something easy to look at. Let's say apply it on the wall above eye level, maybe 5 to 10 feet away. Give your subconscious a time and safety instruction. Like, I want to go into self-hypnosis for 15 minutes and awaken feeling relaxed and refreshed. If I need to come out of self-hypnosis for any reason, I will do so fully alert with all my resources available to me. Now make 3 statements about what you can see, 3 statements about what you can hear, and 3 statements about what you can feel. Beginning each statement with I am aware, such as I am aware of the wall in front of me, I am aware of the light in the room, I am aware of the sound of traffic, I am aware of the muscle tension in my shoulder. Any statements. Then make 2 statements about what you can see, 2 statements about what you can hear, and 2 statements about what you can feel. Then make 1 statement about what you can see, 1 statement about what you can hear, and 1 statement about what you can feel. While you're doing this, allow some of the statements to be about what's going on inside you, such as, I'm aware of the sound of my internal voice. I'm aware of certain feelings of relaxation. And now close your eyes and allow the trance to deepen as you enjoy the experience. Whenever you need to get out of this trance state, you will awake feeling relaxed and refreshed. Follow the steps as I shared in this video. You can watch this video again until you understand all steps clearly. The first time I tried this, I did not know, quite what to expect. So I wasn't sure if it worked. But as I continued, and with time and practice, I could go into trance at will at any time I want to without using the formal sequence. And you should also practice over and over again. If you use trance state to solve a particular problem or come up with a particular solution, or may not know the answer at the moment you come out of the trance, but just relax, let go, and trust your subconscious. The answer will come at just the right time. You can trust your subconscious to provide the results, but you should not and you cannot force your subconscious. Relaxing and letting go is the quickest way to allow your subconscious to deliver the results. So I would recommend you using the steps outlined in this entire video. You can learn to put yourself into trance and ask your subconscious for answers and solutions. You may not know the answers as soon as you come out of trance, but trust your subconscious to deliver the results. You will get ideas. You will get the solution. You will see, you will hear, or you will feel one way or another. You will get answers later on. Share your experience. If you benefit from this video, please recommend it to someone who can benefit from it. Please share it far and wide. This is Mayur Bardolia, a success coach from North Star Angel Coaching and Spiritual Solutions. If you wish to book a coaching session and workshop or invite me as a speaker, reach out to me at contact@northstarangel.com. Have a nice day.